Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and greeting from us. We are group from section 3 who present to you our project for IDP course today. The title of our project is Easy Wheelchair Kit. Our group consists of 5 members which led by Muhammad Fareezuddin bin Sharif. Other members are myself, Amira Rashidah Binti Amir Rashid, Raveen Kumar anak lelaki Magesvaran, Aini Ayuni Binti Mazlan and Idzham Bin Mohd Isa. The supervisor for our group is technologist Dr. Muhammad Kamil bin Sued.
The society has been dramatically changed with the evolution of technology. Before the advent of modern day technology, life was burdensome and every day just consumed too much of our time. Immense opportunities are being provided by technologies which play an important role in human life. The access to education, medicine, industry, transportation, etc. has been simplified due to the modern day technologies. Due to the convenience and efficiency provided by technology, our life have improved significantly. There used to be a time when executing a simple task like doing laundry would take most of the day. Thanks to the modern technology, a lot of burden has been lifted from our shoulders and we have more time and energy to do what we want to. Wheelchair users are also not spared from enjoying the evolution of technology. Their condition is quite difficult to meet their limits in socializing like normal people. Thus, they need help to move, especially to transfer themselves from one place to another. Therefore, this project was created to help them facilitate their movement, especially when they want to enter the car. This project is a kit for wheelchair users to make their life more easier. Improper seat height will affect the health and safety of wheelchair users. Therefore, this kit will be able to help them.
The objective of this project is to develop a wheelchair kit with detectable adjustable height. Second, to help their caregivers alert of user safety with a fall detection system. Lastly, to analyze the effectiveness of easy wheelchair kits through survey and product design analysis testing.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is Idzham Bin Mohd Isa. My matric number B0518101130. So now I will explain about the product design and prototype. Figure 1 show that our idea of design has been created because the design is simple and easy to install for the wheelchair. So it's real easy to use. Figure 2 show that the result of the complemented prototype project is ready to use and the sensor function very well.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good day. My name is Muhammad Fareezuddin bin Raihan Sharif. Okay, today I'm going to talk about the product analysis of the Easy Wheelchair Kit. Okay, in this analysis, there are two types of analysis that has been made. Okay, both of this analysis is made by using the software SolidWorks. Okay, the first analysis is the displacement analysis. Okay, as been shown here, the minimum displacement is 1.154 exponent negative 3 mm and the maximum displacement is 6.766 exponent negative 2 mm. Okay, the next analysis that have been done is the stress analysis. Okay, based on the results obtained, the minimum stress is 5.026 exponent negative 1 Newton per meter square, and the maximum stress analysis is the 1.755 exponent 3 Newton per meter square. Okay, here is attached the videos and the photos of the prototype and showing the picture of the prototype and how the prototype is working.
Okay, hi everyone. My name is Kumar Magesvaran and my metric number is B0518100176. So today I'm gonna explain on manufacturing process and cost analysis. So these are the list of manufacturing process for our project. First of all is cutting, and then drilling, fitting, and also welding. So for our product, we used grinding machine as a tool for cutting because it wants a good quality output, reliable and also easily operable. Next is drilling. Purpose of drilling is to cut a hole. So we use a hand drill for our project. Fitting would be the following process. So we used a flat files to do facing on the slider part. Then welding process. We used MIG welding to make a joint between clamp and base. Okay, now for the material costing part. So these are the parts of materials. We are using 9 type of materials, which is ADXL 3353 axis, node MCU, battery holder, buzzer, wire, linear slider, mechanical jack and bearing. So the total cost of the materials is 553 ringgit 10 cent. And for the fixed cost, there are some utilities used, which is electricity, maintenance, cutting tools. So the total of fixed cost is 200 ringgit. And for the total manufacturing cost is equals to material plus labor plus fixed. So our total cost is 753 ringgit 10 cents. So when the selling price is, we are implementing 20% profit. So for the selling price of total is 903 ringgit 72 cents only. So as you can see, these are the receipts we purchased from online and also from electronic shops. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, I am Ayuni Binti Mazlan, and I will talk about sustainability of product. Sustainability. In the 21st century, it's referred generally to the capacity of Earth's biosphere and human civilization to coexist. For many in the field, sustainability is defined through the following interconnected domains or pillars such as environmental, economical, and social. Originally, sustainability meant making only such a natural, renewable resource that people can continue to rely on their yields in the long term. The aim of sustainable process is to gain an overview of the entire product cycle and to maximize the life cycle of production, process, goods or service that use. This is the material that we use in our product. First thing first is aluminium. Okay, aluminium is good impact for the environment because it can be recycled and it can help us to minimize the waste, reduce and reuse the material. And aluminium also could reduce the amount of greenhouse gas emission. Okay, for milk steel is very sustainable because once it is made, it can be used forever, over and over. It can be used over and over, and 100% can be recycled and easily to recover by the magnetic separation. And milk steel also the only cradle-to-cradle recycled material. Okay. Next is plastic. Plastic, we can recycle the plastic, but it is not economical or environmental benefit. The plastic can be recovered through the energy from waste. So we can produce energy from the waste of plastic. Thank you.
In conclusion, our product is an innovative product that have been updated not only to help retail users but also the caregivers. This product will also help to improve the user's mobility while reducing the risk of injury. By producing this product, we hope it can minimize the problems that encountered by the users as it also be cost effective and user friendly. We also hope that our product will fulfill the goals of this innovation. That's all from us. Thank you.